Hello. Canvas can be a little picky about putting images into posts such as discussions, particularly if you've taken that picture with your phone. Sometimes when you do insert an image, it can be sideways. So this is how you rotate an image in Photopea or on the photopea.com website. This also would work for Photoshop. So once I go to photopea.com, I can say open from computer if I've gotten the image from my phone to my computer. And when I first look at it here, it looks upright. It looks fine. But I know when I've tried to put it into Canvas, it's sideways. And indeed, when I bring it into photopea.com, I can see that this picture of people taking pictures of the Mona Lisa is sideways. In order to rotate it in Photopea, I go to Image and Transform and then Rotate. If I was in Photoshop, I go to Image, so there'll be Image at the top, and then Image Rotation in the Image dropdown. Um, and that's how you rotate it in Photoshop. So it's very similar. Now I just need to save this in Photoshop. That would be File, Save As, and save it as a JPEG with a new name. Here, what I want to do is go to Export As in Photopea, save it as a JPEG. I like to do my quality all the way up. Ooh, it's being a little slow. And save it. And now I have it on my computer, and when I insert it into Canvas, it should be rotated the correct way. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks.